Shit. Yeah. The secret weapon, baby. It's true pride, baby. Yeah. The secret weapon, baby. Yeah. I remember way back when we was friends. Everybody couldn't tear us apart until the end. Ever since the day you left, how can I ever change? Shit, still the same. Up in my neighborhood, the place where I grew, where it took me from a boy to a man. It's all true. Struggles, forget about the pain and the fortune. I'm here to tell you what's real. Yeah, if we can do what we do, we can hang with the crew, still drink on the booze. Yeah, cause I got 5 on the box, got 5 on the tinnies, got 5 on the smokes. What's up? I still keep 5 now for the feed. Me and my peeps still beat the feed. I gotta hang with a horsey crew, still keep it real with my crew. You know how I do, yeah. The secret weapon, baby. It's true pride, baby. Yeah. The secret weapon, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Used to play down at the cost to shoot hoops. Passing times, you know how we used to do. Chill with my crew, sip on the brew. Used to hang with a dozen, but only a chosen few. That was the good old days when I was young. Passing the weed around when I was young. I used to go to school, thought I was cool, but then I kicked back after school on a home brew. Yeah, just stories of the old times. Now we can kick it, baby, if you can feel the rhymes, feel the vibes. I ain't stopping my feet no more. I gotta do it, keep on tripping. This is how we roll. Yeah, a young coconut that feel the flow. Can't forget about my homies in the movies though. Yeah, I'm still power to the people. No matter what you see, vanish all the evil. Yeah. The secret weapon, baby. Yeah. It's true pride, baby. Yeah. The secret weapon, baby. Yeah. Yeah. The place where I grew, the place where I hang, ain't nothing gonna change. Still my neighborhood man. From an early age until a teen or adolescence, I used to hang on the streets. Yeah, that's the place that made me, create me, but it's so good, it never fazed me. Just time, used to drink on a dozen, 99 bottles of beer still on the wall. Used to tag, top to box, of course, cruising around Central Oaks with the force. Yeah, used to wear them cut jeans and white tees. That was me back in the day, shooting hoops at Borders Park, of course, dribbling in the ball. Nothing's ever changed, but I gotta keep it real for sure. Yeah. The secret weapon, baby.